You like your bike?
You know, running a small business is very much like riding a bike. To keep it upright, you gotta keep moving. Strider started with me just really wanting to get my son riding. I was impatient, I guess, and couldn't wait. I took his little bike, started stripping the pedals off, and made it simpler so it would fit him. It worked so well that it actually shocked me.
Okay, down the steps. Jumps off of there.
And the rest is history.
Being able to be global, that's important for us as we look to grow and expand.
Strider started selling internationally by accident.
There was a dad just like me in Japan, saw our video on YouTube,
There's Jesse, our littlest rider.
and next thing you know, we've got conversations going about how he could bring the product to Japan. 10 years later, Japan's one of our largest international markets. The mission of Strider really is to inspire kids to ride bikes all around the world. Expanding internationally depends on good data.
It's a lot of guesswork. Google Market Finder gives us an opportunity to streamline that.
We can select a few countries and have it generate all the information we need. We couldn't ask for anything better.
Google Ads helps us reach customers worldwide by putting the right information in front of people at the right time. Without a huge budget, these types of tools level the playing field. There's no other way we could have done it.
We've sold over 2 million bikes worldwide. International sales account for just over half of our revenue.
Better revenue helps us to provide more jobs.
Our local impact is tremendous. We sell more bikes, we're going to hire more people, we're going to bring more money into the community.
More importantly, we've easily taught over 5 million kids how to ride. We're just getting started.